So this is my tutorial 16 video, and so essentially it's just similar to what we've done before, but a little bit of different methods, which I think is cool. So first of all, moving the player, we're still using the physics engine here, but moving rotation using the Quaternion type of rotation angles, which is pretty cool, or rather the Euler, whatever. Um, yeah, I've used these before as well. I remember them making more sense, although the tutorial didn't go too in depth with it. But yeah, that's cool. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same as before. And then the enemy behavior, or yeah, the enemy behavior is interesting because we're using the trigger on a separate collider, which is the a larger sphere collider, but we still have the. I can show you here. We still have the regular capsule collider, which is not a trigger, and so that allows it to not just fall through the map. Pretty cool, I thought. And yeah, this is just for detecting the range of the player and such. There's an item pickup method, which very simple collisions. If the player collides with it, it gets collected, so to speak. There's no actual functionality there, but it does get deleted from the game. And then finally, camera behavior, which I like this a lot more than the Cinemachine thing that we've been using, just because it feels like it makes more sense to me. You can play around with it a little bit more, and the look at seems to be working a lot better than what I've been dealing with Cinemachine. I might honestly swap to this. I'm probably gonna use this for my project. Yeah, this is pretty cool though. Yeah, you can see you can set the position to be uh, at an offset from the target, and also you can ask it to look at the target as well. Pretty cool. I'm going to real quick just run this. It's still a pretty simple little game here, but something I did notice is that this rotation is incredibly slow. Like right now I have it set to 500, and it just does not feel responsive at all. I'm gonna try to make like 1,000. It's still incredibly slow. I mean, like, would 10,000 be too slow? Yeah, it's just slow. So that is what it is. But you notice I can go here and collect this little thing, and I'll get a little notification that the item's been collected. No longer there. I can also go collect this yellow one over here. Cool. And then if I get close enough to this enemy into the sphere radius, it'll tell me that I've been detected. But once I leave it, I'm out of range because of the trigger exit. And at the same time, though, he still has that capsule, so I can't just go right into him, but I can move through his sphere because his sphere is a trigger only. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, thank you.